And last but not least on the table we have my favourite engine, the one I've steamed most of. You'll be possibly be quite alarmed to know, but this is really the one I like to steam because I can do it no problem. It never gives me any problem, it runs like a sweet. It's just my favourite engine altogether for just drawing out and having a little steam up. An SE1A, as I said, and I've never done anything to it at all. It's as you see it, as I got it off eBay, and I know it's going to work well. So as it's my last engine, I'd just like to thank you for watching my videos in the big weekend, and I'll still be on the tables. And there she goes, just like I knew she would. Old Faithful, and a great friend of mine. This engine likes to dance across the table as well, and that's why I've got the cloth below it, because it really purrs along.
Nice plume of steam coming from the chimney there.
Simple engine, great quality, excellent runner. What more can you ask?
Well, this is my last one on the table. It's been a great experience. I've really enjoyed it. Hope you have too. I'll still be on the tables. Thanks for visiting. Bye!